Sorry, I have to do my intro.
I'm doing my intro. Hey, oh, this ugly camera. Oh my gosh, I look so burnt. I look like I got skinned and then you just see my muscles.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 10. So today, I'm just going to be knitting all day.
Really? And it's just what we're gonna do 2 rows.
I completed my 4 inches today. I mean, yesterday I actually did. Now I have like 7 more inches left, which is good. So I'm going to try and do 4 inches.
I thought you had 9 inches total left. So why do you have 7 inches left when you did 4? She can't count.
I have 5 inches left, so I'm going to try and
count correctly. She's gonna do 2 rows.
I'm gonna
today.
try and complete almost all of it today. And honestly, I don't even mind cutting it like shorter than it needs to be because I'm running out of yarn anyway. So I'll definitely probably start on the ribbing today. So let's get it. Let's get it, Saint.
Kaja.
Kaja.
That means let's go.
That means let's go in Korean.
Kaja.
Yeah, so
let's go.
okay. Okay guys, I did it. I completed the amount of rows or the length I needed to start on my ribbing. So this is how the sweater looks now on me. So So it's all the way down to here. Then I'm going to do gray ribbing, and then I'll start on the sleeves, which I'm going to try and finish this sweater by next week so I can start on another sweater. It's called It's Not a Sweatshirt. I don't know like where the pattern's from. I'll have to actually, let me look. Okay, it's called It's Not a Sweatshirt, and it's by Knitting for Olive. It's a pattern by Knitting for Olive, and this is how it looks. So that's the sweater I'm going to be working on after this one, so I'm really trying to finish that so I can start on that, which is going to be exciting. But that's what I have for this sweater. So I'll be starting on the ribbing tonight, and I should be done with the ribbing by the time I show you guys my sweater tomorrow. So that's that. Now it is time for the advent calendar. So yesterday the advent calendar yarn was super pink. It looked like this. And today, I guess that it's going to be a little bit pink. I don't know what happened. But it's going to be a little bit pink, like still this kind of pink. But I think it'll be pink and purple, or pink and this blue that's like splashed in here. You know, this, all that blue. So that's what I'm going with. I have day 10 right here. I'm super excited. I honestly think it's turning more purple. Maybe like a lighter purple than, you know, the purple we had in the beginning. So, let's see. I keep ripping my number thingies. Okay, the time is here, guys. The time is here. What? What? I would not have guessed this in a million years. I'm over here double checking to see if it says 10, and it does. What? I was not expecting this color. What the heck? That was such an abrupt transition. I literally thought white would be done, but I guess it's not. But this is how it looks. I don't know if it's on it, but this is, let me go close up so I know. Okay, so this is how it looks. Very, very, very surprising. This was literally day 9, and now this is day 10. I did not expect that turn. And then this is day 7. No, this is day 8, and then this is day 10. So they're kind of similar, which is why I would not have expected it to go this way. I literally cannot guess the next color because I expected it to start turning purple, but I'm kind of glad it's not turning purple. Well, I literally do not know. It could start turning purple again, but I wonder if it's turning a new color, like not pink. I guess the pink phase is over already. I have no idea. I have no idea where this is going, but that took a surprise turn. I did not expect it to. I did not expect it to be this thunder. I did not expect it to be this white, which is crazy. So let me turn the camera so you guys can see this weird transition it's turning into. So this is how the transition looks. As you can see, it turned pink and then it's turned white randomly. Again, I don't know where she's going with this, but I'm super excited to find out. Anyway, that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!